Hi everyone, welcome back to our vlog. Today I have a turkey cheddars with crackers. It's really cheap, guys. Look at that. And let's open it up, guys. Yeah, like that. Look, I have a nerds. Look, now I'm gonna put this together. Like that, and the cheese, of course. Just here. Wow, it's really delicious, guys. Yeah. This, guys, you can get it anywhere outside the gas station. Now I'm gonna try the nerds, guys. Look at that. I'm not into candy, but I will try this. It's strawberry. Look at that. I have on a dessert, guys. I have this. It's Power Crunch Protein and Energy Bar. As you can see, that is salted caramel, guys. Get that. And also I have which is cookies and cream. So yeah, let's try it out and see. Okay, guys. First, I'm gonna try the Hershey. I'll make sure this has no peanut in it. This one, guys, is really, it's not too sweet, which is perfect. It's just creamy, and you can taste the cookie. Actually, it's that one. It is like what's that? Oreos. There we go. This is look at this yogurt. It's only like really cheap, and it's a fruit yogurt smoothies. They call it smoothies, guys. Look at that. It's a strawberry. I tried this before, and yeah, it was really it's fill you up, even though you don't have meal. It's better than the other yogurt. So yeah, it's like there is no added hormones. It's a real fruit, which is, you know, good. It's really good, guys. A little bit bitter, but it's better than the sweet one, right? So yeah. Yep, guys, really good. I will get this again. Yes, this one I really wanted it, but you know, the problem is with this is with contain peanuts. So yeah, and I cannot have any peanuts at all, you know. So like when I bought this, I thought there's no peanut, but when I looked the back of it, it was like, you can see that, guys. And they said over here, this product is manufactured on equipment that also process peanuts. So yeah, so they make this item processed into the same machine as the peanuts, you know, they've been doing. Yeah, you know, probably I just give it away, give it to someone who has no peanut allergy. So yeah, but you know, maybe to those of you who doesn't have a peanut allergy, you can buy this anywhere at the store. So it's only like $1, guy, $1.25, guys. It's only $1.25, guys. So yeah, and anyway, thank you for watching, and I see you guys for the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and yeah, thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.